So, my name is Tirunhari Yugandhar, Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Dairy College, Mahabad. So, today I am discussing the Mycoplasma and Actinomycetes. The Mycoplasma, which is the smallest microorganisms, which is invisible in electron microscope. So, this is the Mycoplasma are the smallest independently replicating prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means do not having a true nucleus, which has a ribosomes are 60 S ribosomes are present. So these organisms were first discovered by Pasteur in 18th century. In 18th century, which he studied the casualty agent of the bovine pneumonia, a pulmonary disease of cattle. So which appeared in Germany and Switzerland in 1713. So due to its resembles with pneumonia symptoms, this disease is called as a bovine pneumonia. Olden days, the scientist was observed or identified in a pneumonia disease. The pneumonia disease are caused by very smallest microorganism that is called a pneumonia like organisms. సో మైకోప్లాస్మా అనేది చాలా సూక్ష్మమైన పరిమాణం ఉంటాయి. ఇవి ఏం చేస్తాయి? సో ఈ ప్రొకారియోటిక్ అంటే కేంద్రక పూరకణ నిర్మాణానికి సంబంధించినవి. వీటిని ఏం చేస్తాయి? బోవిస్ అనే సైంటిస్ట్ న్యూమోనియా అనే వ్యాధిని కలగజేయడంలో తోడ్పడుతుంది అని 1713 లోపల జర్మనీ మరియు స్విట్జర్లాండ్ సంబంధించిన పశువుల వ్యాధి యొక్క పుపుస వ్యాధి. పుపుస మీన్స్ లంగ్స్ డిసీజెస్, పశువులకు సంబంధించిన న్యూమోనియా వ్యాధి రావడానికి మైకోప్లాస్మా కారణమని గుర్తుపెట్టింది. సో దాన్ని బోవిస్ న్యూమోనియా అనే పేరు పెట్టినాను. సో విచ్ ఇస్ హ్యాబిటాట్ ఆఫ్ మైకోప్లాస్మా. మైకోప్లాస్మా యొక్క అలవాట్లు ఆకృతి ఈ విధంగా ఉంటాయి. మైకోప్లాస్మా ఆర్ ఏ పారాసైటిక్. మైకోప్లాస్మా ఈజ్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ అదర్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్, నాట్ ఈజ్ a own food preparation. Also it can causes of infection to other organisms is called parasites. So what is the means of parasites and also called parasitic and heterotrophs. The heterotrophs are depends on the dead and decaying organisms, but parasites are depends on the living organism to kill the host cells. That is called parasitic, as well as saprophytes. Sapro means dead and decomposition. So these mycoplasmas are depends on the two type of the nutrition. First one saprophytic nutrition, second one parasitic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is absent, means which is absence of chloroplast. So it does not prepare the food materials own. So more than 200 mycoplasma like a bodies are formed to the associated with a sewage. Sewage means dirty water. Sewage plants, animals, insects, humus, hot water and springs and other high temperature environment. They have been found the phloem tissues of diseased of plants. So which are causes of disease? The phloem. Phloem means which is a transport of organic solids from leaf to other parts of the plant. That phloem consists of a pathogens. When that plant is causes of diseases of mycoplasma. The animals and insects and also called human beings also infection to causes of disease by mycoplasma. So they have been found in a phloem tissues of disease. At least 11 serological and biological distinct mycoplasma have been found in man. Serological means the structurally or functionally different type of the mycoplasma species are identified by man. So mycoplasma orale and mycoplasma salivarium are found in almost every healthy habit. Mycoplasma hominis is present in a large population in a sexually activity adults. So mycoplasma hominis is a infection causes of sex organs in human beings are male and female. So disease like a primary atypically pneumonia. It is also like a primary atypically PAP. So in the mouth, pharynx and genitourinary tract with tonsillitis in humans are caused by the mycoplasma. The mycoplasma is generally lives in a mouth and also called a pharynx. Pharynx means so just beneath the tongue. Pharynx and genitourinary disease. The urinary tract. The genitourinary tract is which having a present in the male, also female. So it is in insects and infection to causes of some mycoplasma sexual disease. మైకోప్లాస్మా యొక్క హ్యాబిట్ మరియు నివాసం మైకోప్లాస్మాల పరాన్నజీవి మరియు సాప్రోఫైట్. పరాన్నజీవి మీన్స్ డెడ్ అండ్ డికేయింగ్. సో లివింగ్ ఆర్గానిజం డిపెండ్స్ ఇస్ కూడా పారాసైట్స్. డెడ్ అండ్ డికేయింగ్ ఆర్గానిజం డిపెండ్స్ ఇస్ కూడా సాప్రోఫైట్. సో ఇట్స్ ఏ మేజర్లీ 200 పైన మైకోప్లాస్మా మృతదేహాలు, మురుగు మొక్కలు, జంతువులు, కీటకాలు, వేడి నీటి బుగ్గలు మరియు ఇతర అధిక ఉష్ణోగ్రత వద్ద మురికి ఉంటాయి. సో ఇది వ్యాధి. సో మొక్కలు ఫ్లోయం మీన్స్ పోషక జాలం కనీసం 11 సెరాలజికల్ మరియు జీవ సంబంధమైన విభిన్న మైకోప్లాస్మాలు మనుషులు కనబడ్డాయి. ఆర్గే మరియు సాలివారియా ప్రతి ఆరోగ్యవంతమైన పెద్దవారు దాదాపు కనిపిస్తాయి. సో మైక్రోప్లాస్మా హోమినిస్ లైంగిక చురుకై పెద్ద సంఖ్యలో ఉంటాయి. నోటిలో ఫేరింగ్స్ మరియు జెనిటో మూత్రవాహిక మరియు మానవ లోపల ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ వంటి ప్రాథమిక వైవిధ్య న్యూమోనియా వంటి వ్యాధులు మైకోప్లాస్మా ద్వారా ఉంటాయి. వైవిధ్యమైన న్యూమోనియా మీన్స్ సో దిస్ వాజ్ వేరియేషన్ న్యూమోనియా డిసీజెస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ అయిన కాస్డ్ బై ద మ్యాన్ by this is also mycoplasma disease. So this mycoplasma structure, mycoplasma colony, morphology and cell shape, round shape structure without cell wall. So that is A is the entire colony. So basal longitudinal section of colony. C is a spherical form. So D is a irregular filaments of form. Irregular means no indefinite shape of the mycoplasma which have without cell wall. The absence of the cell wall, it is not definite shape of the organisms. So mycoplasma bacterial structure of the typical cell, which has a so small number of the ribosomes, round shapes, and also called soluble and proteins. Then soluble proteins. So also called say that is a symphonous membrane. So metaboloid is DNA thread is only single DNA thread which consisting of total part of the cell, which is also sporadion membrane is present. The sporadion membrane is enclosed with like a plasma membrane, not a cell wall. The cell wall is absent in plant cell. The cell wall is present in the plant cell, but only this mycoplasma is absent, also including the mycoplasma included in the plant kingdom, because the remaining all cell organelles and remaining all functions are similar to the botany, that is called a botany. Mycoplasma. So lipoproteins are membranes. Lipo means lipids, proteins, and both are combined to form lipoproteinous membranes. So soluble DNAs are present. Soluble RNA. So then DNA, ribosome, soluble proteins. And the two soluble proteins and the two type of the soluble particles, proteins and RNA. First one, second one is called DNA, thread-like structures. Lipoproteins, lipids and proteins are enclosed by a layer. That is called a mycoplasma membrane-like structures of human beings. Structure of a mycoplasma type structure. So this is also very different in shape structures of the mycoplasma. So different cell shape of mycoplasma. So in the round shape structures and polynomial structures are irregular in hemophilic structures, or spherical structures, or elliptical structures. So this is different in shapes. General characters of mycoplasma. The mycoplasma, what are the character features? So they are unicellular, smallest, non-motile and prokaryotic organism forming fried egg-shaped colonies. They are unicellular, only single cell, which small size, very small. Then non-motile, without fragile without movements from one part to the other parts. To the movement by cytoplasm or protoplasm of a host tissues and a prokaryotic organism forming fried egg fried after cooked fried egg shaped structures of carne. So they are a pleomorphic. Pleomorphic means changes of shapes or indefinite shape organism, that is a pleomorphic. So it is able to change their shape depending upon culture media. So when the culture of the mycoplasma, it can change the shapes. They may be rod-like, ring-like, so globoid or filamentous. So the filaments are uniform diameter 100 to 300 nanometer like structures, and it is in the length from a 3 to 150 nanometers. 3 to 150 nanometer length of the mycoplasma. Some mycoplasma predominantly assumed spherical in shape. Spherical means round shape structures, 300 to 800 nanometer in diameters. Nanometers. So they are a ultra filterable. They can pass through the bacteria-proof filters. So they are a ultra filterable. Filterable means so small cloth. When after the mycoplasma infected juices easily filterable like a bacteria proof filters. So they do not possess rigid cell wall. The cell wall is totally absent. Only lipids and proteins cell membranes are present that cannot different shape. The cells are delimited by soft stipple layered lipoproteinaceous membrane. It is a unity membrane about 10 nanometer thick. 10 nanometer thick. That thick means the layer of the proteins and lipids thickness is also 10 nanometer. So this is also the మైక్రోప్లాస్మా ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఇంగ్లీష్ తెలుగు మీడియంస్ గోళాకృతిలో ఉంటాయి. సో దీన్ని ఏం చేసాం అవి అల్ట్రా ఫిల్టరబుల్ అవుతాయి. అవి బ్యాక్టీరియా నుంచి ఏం చేసి ఫిల్టర్ అవుతాయి. సో వాటిని కణాలు మృదువైన ట్రిపుల్ లిపిడ్స్ లిపోప్రోటీన్స్ పొర ద్వారా వేరు చేయబడతాయి. సో ఇది 10 to the నానోమీటర్ కలిగి ఉంటుంది. సో వితిన్ ద సైటోప్లాజం రైబోజోమ్స్ ఆర్ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ స్కాటర్డ్. The cytoplasms are ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are soluble protein synthesis takes place. Peripheral zones. So these are 14 nanometer diameter and resembles with a bacteria. The size of the ribosome is 14 nanometer. So bacteria in sedimentations characters are both the nucleoproteins and nucleic acids. Nucleoproteins are made by the proteins so called, that is called ribosomes. The ribosomes are 72 types. So within the cytoplasm fine fibrillar DNA is present. It is a double stranded helix. So cytoplasm DNA thread is also present. The DNA is a double helical structures which is also present in the single one thread. So not only chromosomes, not made by the chromosomes, totally thread-like structures. It arises in throughout the cytoplasm. They require sterol for their nutritions. The sterol is a substances are important for the nutrition process. The sterol is which release the ATPs. The ATPs are requirement. The cell is also growth and development takes place, also reproducing once. So they are sensitive to tetracycline. Tetracycline injections are so they are sensitive. So they are also killed by temperature 40 to 55 degrees centigrade in 15 minutes. So during the 15 minutes, the mycoplasmas are killed by 40 to 55 degrees centigrade. So this one mycoplasma, the 72 years ribosomes ఉంటాయి. సైటోప్లాస్మిక్ లోపల మనం చేసే ఫైబ్రో డిఎన్ఏ ఉంటుంది. ఈ మైక్రోప్లాస్మా సాధారణంగా బ్యాక్టీరియా కంటే నెమ్మదిగా పెరుగుతుంది. వాటి పోషణ కోసం వారు స్టిరాల్ అవసరం. అవి పెనిసిలిన్, సెఫ్రెడిల్, మస్కిటోన్ వంటి యాంటీబయాటిక్ సాధారణంగా నిరోధక కలిగి ఉంటాయి. సో ఇవి టెట్రాసైక్లిన్ సున్నితంగా ఉంటాయి. 15 నిమిషాలు 40 నుంచి 45 డిగ్రీల సెంటిగ్రేడ్ ఉష్ణోగ్రత ఉంచినప్పుడు చంపుతుంది. The cell structure of the mycoplasma. The mycoplasma, the cells are small, varying from 300 nanometer to 800 nanometer. The cells are surrounded by a triple layered lipoproteins unity membranes. Triple three layers are made by. The three layers is also called semi-permeable membranes, like a plasma membrane. It is about 10 nanometer thick unit membrane encloses the cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm, RNA and also called DNA. DNA and also called ribosomes. Ribosomes are 14 mm diameter and 72 S types. DNA is a double standard. It can be distinguished from the bacteria, and DNA by its a low guanine and cytosine are content. So DNA local guanine and cytosine is also low. The DNA is up to 4 percentage and RNA is about 80 percentage. DNA which are present in the each cell has 4 percentage. RNA is 80 percentage. RNA is more than the DNA. The less of the usually occurs in other protoplasm. The guanine and cytosine C and guanine content of DNA range from 23.46 percentage. The some species Mycoplasma gallisceptini. Some polar bodies are produced also protrude out from one or the other end of the cell. So these are called a bulb and consist of the site of enzymatic portions. So then the Mycoplasma galliscepticum bodies the protrude from the out from one of the other end of the cell. So this is also called a bulb structures. కొన్ని జాతులు గెలెప్టియం కొన్ని ధ్రువ ప్రాంతాలు ఉంటాయి, మరొక దాని నుండి కణాల నుంచి బయటికి వస్తాయి. వీటిని బ్లీప్ అంటారు మరియు ఎంజైమాటిక్ సెల్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అంటారు. మైక్రోప్లాస్మా యొక్క సెల్ నిర్మాణం మైక్రోప్లాస్మా కణాలు 300 నానోమీటర్ సో 800 నానోమీటర్ ఉంటాయి. దృఢమైన సెల్ కూడా లేదు, అంటే వితౌట్ సెల్ వాల్. కణాలు ఒక ట్రిపుల్ పొర లిపోప్రోటీన్ యూనిటీ పొరతో కచ్చిపడేది. సో ఇది 16 నానోమీటర్ మందంగా ఉంటుంది. యూనిటీ పొర సైటోప్లాజం కలుపుతుంది. Cytoplasm RNA to calculate. So this is also regarding. So little leaf of brinjal causes by mycoplasma. The causes of mycoplasma. What are the effects of the mycoplasma? The mycoplasma, all mycoplasma is a which infection to the causes of disease in plants, animals, human beings. But not all, but few are also called saprophytic. The symptoms of a little leaf disease which caused by the mycoplasma. So the main symptoms of the diseases is the production of very short leaves by affected plant. The petioles are so much reduced in size that leaves are appears in sticky. The stems such leaves are narrow, soft, smooth and illusion color. Newly formed leaves further reduce the size. The kota leaves is a reduced in size. The small in size. The short branched with small leaves. So this gives whole plant a bushy appearance. Usually such plant unable to form a flower, so fruiting is very rare. Causal organ mycoplasma like organism milo. So వ్యాధి వాళ్ళు ప్లూరోనిమోనియా లైక్ ఆర్గానిజం ఆల్సో కర్వ్స్. సాధారణంగా పూలు ఏర్పరచుకుని అలాంటి మొక్కలు పదాలు కాస్త చాలా అరుదుగా మైకోప్లాస్మా లాంటి చెవుల వల్ల ఏర్పడతాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ లిటిల్ లీవ్ ఆఫ్ బ్రింజల్. This is also little leaf means a round shape or which has a black color symptoms appeared on the leaf. Also then causes up in the fruits and the leaves. So this is also after chewing the size of the leaves and also endured size is very short. So this is papaya. Carica papaya leaves infection to the causes of pneumonia. So this is also one type. So this is a papaya type. So this is a papaya fruits and also leaves infection to the causes of mycoplasma. So this is also mycoplasma or this actinomycetes. So what is a actino? The actinomycetes is it is also one type of the microorganisms. Morphology and culture characteristics. So in aerobic and required carbon dioxide both. So non-sporting will biochemistry. So this is also actinomycetes Graham-Stein. The actinomycetes are streptomycetes. Actinomycetes are streptomycetes, both are same names. So are actinomycetes, they are called a group of a gram-positive bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria. So which are so form a branched filamentous hyphae. So having a resemblance with a fungal phase. So but other Eiffel diameter, so the approximately 1 millimicron varies in fungi. It is a 5 to 10 millimicrons in size. Very small size, 5 to 10 millimicron size of the organism is called actinomycetes. So these organisms are reproduced by sexual spores, which are termed conoidea when they are naked or spores when enclosed in a sporange. All through these spores are hot, not heat resistant, so they are resistant to desiccations and are a survivor to the species during a period of drought. So drought condition local that cells are resistant. Resistant means that do not kill the actinomycetes organisms or species. So these pheromones bacteria are mainly harmless soil organisms. So this also actinomycetes are harmless, which lives inside of the soil. So all through few are pathogenic for women. Human beings are also infection to cause of some type of actinomycetes, which are called streptomyces, somalinisis, causes actinomycetia of humans. Other animals, actinomycetes bovis, causes a lumpy jaws disease of cattle. Or plants, streptomyces and scabies causes a common scab in potato and sugar beets. Sugar beets, potato, and also called cattle, and also human beings are infection causes of disease in actinomycetes. In soil, they are saprophytic and chemoorganotrophic, and they have the important function of a degradation of plants or animals resistance. So again, some are best known for their ability to produce a wide range of antibiotics useful in treating the human disease. So the organisms erect extracellular, erect means the upside. Upside is the symptoms or infection part. Enzymes which are a decomposition of dead organisms or materials. So these enzymes are rise bacteria and thereby keep the bacterial populations in check and thus help to maintain the microbial equilibrium of the soil. The actinomycetes are superficially resembles fungi. Superficial resemble fungi having a subterranean and aerial hyphae and chins of the spores, but their Eiffel diameter. Cytology and chemical composition of cell walls are quickly described bacterial to cytology and chemical structures of the actinomycetes are similar to the bacterial cells. So, historical reviews of actinomycetes. The early exploratory studies of M.C. Carmack 1935 and Alexopoulos Eric 1938 to 42 were followed by the intensive studies of Professor S.A. Walkman and the student, which cultivated in the discovery of acetaminosin and other new potentially useful chemotherapeutic agents. So this one is there. So many scientists are reporting this type of actinomycetes and cultured. Nearly 100 antibiotic substances have been reported in the literature as metabolites of actinomyces. 100 antibiotic substances are prepared from the actinomycetes species. A few of these have been isolated in a pure form and their chemistry studied in details, while others have been described only a concentration of preliminary base. So this is also distribution and a mode of nutrition of actin distribution. So where is it distributed? The actinomycetes are essentially mesophilic and aerobic in their requirements. Mesophilic means mesophiles. So for growth and thus resembles to both bacteria and fungi. Bacteria and fungi both are similar, just one nutrition like structures. Growth of actinomycetes are similarity to the fungi and also bacteria. So they along with the other microorganisms from the soil, microflora and produces powerful enzymes by means of which they are able to decompose organic matter. The majority of these are soil organisms and are associated with rooting materials. So the characteristic color of the soil after it deprived the width of the bacteria. Some of the pathogens are actual, so actinomyces are grow slowly, artificially, and artificial means cultured. So some are colonies which smell a decaying leaves and tend to pound meshy earth. Decay means dead and decomposing particles are couldn't take space. The actinomyces are capable of utilizing a large number of carbohydrates as a energy sources, which the carbohydrates are present in the media and sole sources of metabolic carbon. So most of the actinum acids are acquired proteolytic, proteolytic and acts of proteins and polypeptides, and also able to the utilizing nitrates and ammonia as the sources. Nitrate and ammonia are sources of this type of actinum acids. Somatic structure means vegetative structure. Most of the actinomyces are mycelids. So they begins their development of unicellular organisms. Only single cell structure, but grow into the branch filaments. Filaments. Filaments means one above the other cells arranges a uniaxial structure. Eiffel which grow profusely, which are grows profusely and by produces further branches consisting of the mycelium. The width of the hyphae is usually 1 millimicrons. The declate mycelia often grows in a directions from a central point and produces an appearance that has been compared with the rays of sun or sun rays tail. So this is also micro itonomycetes cell structures. So it is also a group like cells. Each is also one type of organism. So this is also fungus like germ tubes and green tubes. Life cycle of the actinomyces in this sense. So aerial hyphae also called condial germinations. So the primary mycelium, so primary hyphae with aerial hyphae. So this morphologically spore bearing structures. Condial structures all is also bearing. So monovalent with apical and bivalent with also bivalent with spore. So there were actinomyces are also called a refunge. Refunge means hair-like structures. They often produced completed designs and resemble some of the drawing in modern art of exhibition. So they are a green positive, gram-positive structures. So the protoplasm of a young hyphae appears to be undifferentiated, but the older parts of the mycelium show a definite granular, vacuolated, and also nuclei. Many actinomyces at first produced very delayed, widely branched mycelium, so that may be embedded itself into the soil or grown in culture into the solid medium. This kind of mycelium is therefore called the substratum. The substratum are primary mycelium. So these are actinomyces cell structures are there. Actinomyces are which are like hyphae and also above the filaments. Each filament consists of a round shaped structures of chain bead-like structures. That is also called a chain of a conidia. The conidia are one type of the sexual reproduction spores. So after a period of growth, hyphae, different kinds of development which rise themselves up from the substratum mycelium and grow into the air. The spores are released into the air and to moves from one place to other place, and which fall on the healthy plant to infection and causes of death. The causes of infection takes place. So these are called aerial hyphal, and corresponding mycelium is the aerial or secondary mycelium. The aerial mycelium may be white, yellow or violet, red, blue, green or grey, and many form pigments are good. So the aerial mycelium is equally or usually slightly wider than the substratum mycelium. The Eiffel tip undergoes separations within this sheath to form a chain of conidia. Conidial cell conidia are plump decay. Reproduction of the actinomyces. So most of the reproduction by Conodia, which are developed in the chains from the early life, the chain may be straight or flexible. Chain means it's a round shape. Conodias are arranges on the tip of the hyphae. The conoidea bearing filaments are often spirally twisted. Sometimes the which length of the aerial hyphae, sometimes only its upper part of the transformed into the conoidea. Each conoidea has a roundish nucleus and is surrounded by a form outer wall. The conoidal wall may be smooth or three. The conoidal can be persist in the dry state for many years. Even the vegetative forms of the actinomycetes are quite hardy and are able to adapt themselves to the changing side conditions. So the condenser appears in a fine powdery coat on surface of the cultures. When the condense are the scattered of a ground and conditions are favorable, they germinate. The condense are spread on air when fall of the soil, then can go under formation of the new mycelium. So the primary mycelium is some species commonly breaks up into the small fragments called the arthrospores. Arthrospores are it is a one type of sexual reproductions, which often look like a bacterial cells and which might easily to mistakes of the others. So the in this articles we will discuss about the features of the actinomyces with suitable diagrammatic processes. So these filaments are long and it is in fragments into the much smaller units. A chain of the sexual spores are called conoidea are produced on their highway. So are few are actinomyces and they bearing the sporangia containing. The colorless are a powdery mass over the surface of culture. Media often these pigments are there. So this is also family Streptomyces. Then the actinomyces are classified as 7 families. First family Streptomycetaceae. Second one Notocardiaceae. Third one Micromonospermae. Fourth one Actinomycetae. Fifth one is called Dermatosporiae. The sixth one Frankiae. Seventh one Actinomycetes. So these are all is also first one Streptomycetes. So if a non-fragments aerial and mycelium which chains of spores with 550 or more conodias are per chain. Each chain is up to 50. The family, second family, Nocardiaceae. Hyphae, typically fragment exam Nocardia, Pseudomonocarpae. So third family is also Micronospermae. So hyphae, non-fig fragments and conodia. Burn singly or in a pairs are the short chains. The fourth one is Actinomycetes. Actinoplaninae. So sporangia bear the spores. The hyphal diameter varies from 0.2 to 2.9 millimicrons. So the fifth one is a dermatophyllaceae. Hyphal fragments divide into the form of a large number of round-shaped structures. Then family sixth one Frankiaceae. It is a strictly associated with the root of non-ligneous plant and form a rooted nodules or form. Family seventh one Actinomycetaceae. So no true mycelium is produced usually strictly to the fabricated microbe. No true fabricated pseudo. Due to the development of modern techniques of the molecular biology such as 16S, rRNA, screen, phylogeny, and relationship mycelia as the following criteria. So this is economic importance of micro. The actinomyces are forming soil microflora have gained the greatest importance in the recent year produce of the therapeutic substances. Therapeutic substance are formations. So many of the actinomyces have ability to synthesize the metabolites which hinder growth of bacteria. These are called antibacteria. Growth of a bacteria, antibiotics, and growth inhibitors. The actinomyces are growth inhibitors of bacteria. Although harmful to the bacteria are more or less harmful when introduced into the women's of animal body. So antibiotics have in modern times great therapeutical and industrial values. So the past decades has been considered interesting the actinomyces are producers of antibacterial substances. The successful use of a chemotherapy or streptomycin, chloramphenicol, phenicol, and also trademark of aromyces, streptomycin metabolites of the actinomyces. So the genus streptomyces is the largest and the most important one antibiotically speaking. The streptomycin is an antibacterial. Antibacterial. It is also killing the some bacteria which can important of actinomyces. So this one is a actinomyces and infection is a cervicofolio actinomyces infection to the round shaped structure of a pin. So this is a cervicophysia actinomyces which infection to the tooth and also decay. So this is also actinomyces stitches. So this is also complete of my lessons.